So, mga ate Corin, let's do the what's my makeup type trend. This is what showed up when I searched what's my makeup type. As you can see, very body ang vibe, very bronzy, and also very glowy. Of course, skin prep is key. I actually already washed my face. This is the facial wash that I've been using. This is from Hada Labo. Ayan, I'm really a user of this. Gusto niyo i-try to. This is the hydrating face wash from Hada Labo. Yung maganda dito, this has 2 types of hyaluronic acid. So, kahit nakiklean niya talaga yung face mo, it doesn't dry your skin out too. Ate girl sa picture ay very plump and hydrated yung skin. So, we're gonna use this hydrating lotion also from Hada Labo. Hindi to first time na ginamit ko to. I've used this last year. And yung maganda dito, this has 5 types of hyaluronic acid naman. And it really helps lock in the moisture. I remember sabi ko itong nagustuhan when I first tried it. Kasi when I use it for skin prep, hindi nagkikiki yung makeup ko. Also, very lightweight siya. I remember whenever I would go to Japan, I would really look for Hada Labo's products. Kasi very simple yet effective siya when it comes to prepping my skin for makeup. For moisturizer, I'm using their hydrating water gel cream because I do have normal to oily skin. Sobrang bilis nito ma-absorb ng skin ko and hindi siya greasy. Super plump na agad ng skin ko. Let's do the makeup na, starting off with color corrector. And then, of course, concealer. You can realize na applying concealer before my base suited my makeup routine more. Kasi in case na mas dark or mas light yung concealer ko, makakover siya ng base ko. Also realize na mas okay lang yung ganitong amount ng base product on me. I feel like the more natural the coverage is, the more it suits my face. Tignan niyo yung base ko. Super ganda ng lapat, kaya I really swear by these products. I feel like what suits me is bronzer or bronzy makeup. Ang lakas lang niya talaga maka-island girl. Diba? Para talaga akong galing sa beach. Not forget blush. Just wanna show another close-up of my skin. Wala tong smoothening filter ha. Diba? Ang ganda talaga ng lapat. Realize ko rin, I think speaking Bisaya suits me. Wow. A lot of you guys really enjoy whenever I speak Bisaya. And at first, naulong ko kay again, dili ko bisdak. I didn't grow up here in Cebu. At ang bot, feeling na ko bisdak jud ko. Adding highlighter. And with a darker lip liner. Can't forget gloss. Anyway, this is the final look. What do we think? I feel like if my lashes were fuller, mas bongga and pakak siya. Honestly, I really like this look. Very simple pero atake pa rin. Wait, what do you guys think? Let me know if bagay yung ganitong look sa akin. Bye! Love, love!